Hello. Question: does this trail lead us to the waterfalls?
Yes.
Is it far down?
It's like 1.5 kilometers too. Yeah, it's like 2 kilometer walk. So
Oh, that's not that bad.
deep spots, but it's not that bad at all.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you.
No problem.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're in a little small town named Tumbler Ridge. This is in British Columbia. We just decided to venture out a little to go to a little waterfalls. Yes, so we're gonna take you on the journey. Yeah, we'll put it up here.
I don't know if
So what? Something people man.
Forward. Yeah, we're going on a little drive out as usual. As a matter of fact, we've been on a drive out. We've been driving like for 2 hours. Tumbler Ridge is located in beautiful British Columbia. I think it's right between Dawson Creek and Prince George. So if you're in the area and you're watching the video, please leave a like and make you know say your place. Alright? Big up. Hello. Question: does this trail lead us to the waterfalls?
Yes.
Is it far down?
It's like 1.5 kilometers too. Yeah, it's like 2 kilometer walk. So
Oh, that's not that bad.
deep spots, but it's not that bad at all.
Okay. Alrighty. Thank you.
No problem. Oh, I got scared.
Want to put on sneakers? Yeah, I think you should. Yeah, guys. So we are now at what they call it, the Quality Falls Trail, and we're going to the Quality Falls waterfalls and river and stuff like that. So there's a little hiking, so we have a bag and everything. Cause we go camping, big belly behind me. Yeah, put the drop for our sneakers, take on the trail. Now run yourself when I see what I'm going to. You understand? That one I run so. I go on like such used to sun. I try. Oh, you run from sun. Oh, you run from sun. Anyways, guys, stay tuned, alright? Hope you guys liking the video so far. Hope you guys loving the vibe as usual. The sun is warm. You understand? Beautiful British Columbia. I can't stop saying that the place is pretty. Everyone is pretty still, but no nothing. Forward. Watch your step, guys. Can't slip right. Come on. Your first hiking. Come on.
Come, go down.
Stop moving like a man of fire. Daddy have it. Daddy got you. Daddy got you.
Cause look at us going down in woods. Look. Jeez. This is not an official maintenance trail. Please be aware of natural hazards and use at own risk. Rotted.
You get forward?
Of course, you know, so I bush stand.
So I turn back.
Go bush stand.
Come on now.
Okay, son, at a while ago, go play stay now. Yo, this is so scary. You want to leave her up? Give me that something there. Cause before we
look for it.
yeah, but if we wait for Malika, we're not reach nowhere today. Man, what no beer not come out there? Why? At least you know so other people about and now we alone. Temperature just changed. Feel cold.
Adventure videos. Are this adventures?
Huh? Go.
Is this adventures?
Go. You know. These are just half the grid.
We don't have beer spray or nothing. Let's go back. I don't like this.
You just half the grid, just
Yeah.
too much. Too much half the grid, man.
Hey guys, unfortunately we're not gonna be able to finish this video because two reasons. One, it started raining, and two, we kind of get covered and decide that, you know what, I don't think it makes sense for real to go down that deep into the woods because we never have any bear spray or anything. So in case of anything, we would not be able to protect ourselves. And because we have to go up on a little hike, and mommy right here so is what? Pregnant. We decided that, you know what, it's best if we just put it off for another time. So we drove to Tumblr Ridge, and then we had to drive all the way back around to Dawson Creek, and then back to Grand Prairie, which in total to like 6 hours drive. So we really went on a 6 hours drive today, guys, and we didn't get to accomplish what we wanted to accomplish, which is to go to a waterfall and all of those stuff. But unfortunately the weather had other ideas, so we'll try and do another video one of these days where probably the weather is better and we are more prepared, so you guys can see what a waterfall and also just the general beauty of what it can really be like, right? So thank you guys for watching the video to this point. Sorry for disappointing you guys to not being able to really take you guys on the journey that we were planning to do. But anyways, nonetheless, leave a like, see me, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, alright? Remember, little more is Q&A. Make sure you say you're there, make sure you say tune in, alright? Big up on yourself, little more.